Hi my country people, how una dey? One of our popular multi-talented Nigerian entertainer wey dey dance and sing, Naija Obidi, wey everybody know as Korra Obidi, don cry come outside sake of say court dey try comot her two pikin and give dem to her before husband. Justin Dean no kukuma rest at all sake of say e wan make the two pikin wey dem born together dey stay with am. Na since March 2022, Korra Obidi tok say she don dey plan as e go throway the ring wey her husband Justin give am wen dem do marriage for 2018. The 29-year-old former beauty queen from University of Lagos no fit hold the tears wen she dey narrate the kain shege wey Justin show am wen dem dey together as husband and wife. The California-based American-Nigerian lament say the before husband think say she no dey feed dem first pikin June wella as the girl don recently graduate to pesin wey a plate of food no dey reach at all. In fact, with the way June dey chop nowadays, many go think say calabash dey inside her stomach. As Korra dey weep dey talk, she remember say the former man for im life bin get degree for dirty slap. Make I quote Obidi small. "This man would slap me and would tell me I'm making it up. My memory started failing."
And Kora says things to hurt me sometimes. And she repeatedly told me that she regretted June ever being born. And I asked her to stop saying that. And June was in my arms crying.
Korra talk again say if na lie she dey talk, make she fall down with immediate alacrity and die comot for dis world. Haba, my people, wahala no dey finish oo. The dancer come dey fear wetin go happen to her pikin if her former love carry dem put for custody. If Justin carry my two daughters away, wetin e wan take dem do? Korra ask. Before Korra yarn finish, she talk say she no wan die now but to live. Na so tears dey follow her cheek down her jaw. It is going to be well with you, Korra. Just take heart biko. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.